Hey guys, welcome to our latest property. We're only seconds from the beach. This is 88 Jetty Road, Rosebud.
Certainly is, Jordan. We've got 2 bedrooms on offer here, living area, kitchen and bathroom as well. A quaint little property right next to the water, perfect for an investor or that first time into the market. Let's go and take a look.
What a beautiful little home. Easy to decorate, easy to live, make it yours.
Certainly is. With the open for inspections every Saturday until the auction on December the 1st, we look forward to seeing you here.